Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you?
Hi. Hi. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 28 years old. I'm 28 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles. I live in Los Angeles.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, sure. What do you need help with? Yes, sure. What do you need help with?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
It's over there. It's over there.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 2:30 p.m. It is 2:30 p.m.
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis. Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
Have you been to Italy? Have you been to Italy?
No, I haven't been there yet. No, I haven't been there yet.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing.
Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
Where can I buy water? Where can I buy water?
You can buy it at the store across the street. You can buy it at the store across the street.
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
You can take a taxi. You can take a taxi.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Forrest Gump. My favorite movie is Forrest Gump.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings. Yes, I have 3 siblings.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite hobby is reading.
Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please?
Sure, I'll repeat it. Sure, I'll repeat it.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It costs $20. It costs $20.
Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is down the street. The nearest bank is down the street.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
My phone number is 223-547-6854. My phone number is 223-547-6854.
Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow?
I'm sorry, I'm busy tomorrow. I'm sorry, I'm busy tomorrow.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to a party. Yes, I'm going to a party.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog.
Can you play a musical instrument? Can you play a musical instrument?
Can't play any instrument. Can't play any instrument.
What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. My favorite song is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
I would recommend trying out the bistro downtown. I would recommend trying out the bistro downtown.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework?
Yes, I can help you with that. Yes, I can help you with that.
What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math. My favorite subject is math.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.
Can you give me directions? Can you give me directions?
Sure, where do you want to go? Sure, where do you want to go?
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop. I like pop.
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies. No, I don't have any allergies.
What's your favorite place in the world? What's your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world is Paris, France. My favorite place in the world is Paris, France.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going shopping. Yes, I'm going shopping.